Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After you have addressed your email message, you will want to give it a title that will be displayed in the recipient's inbox. The subject line is where you will enter the title of the email message. The subject is generally a quick description of what the email is about, similar to a title for a movie. This example will use test email. Directly below the subject line are controls used for formatting your email message. Your current screen resolution and how closely you have the page zoomed will determine the number of icons displayed outside the expand arrow. The order of the icons may be changed in future updates, however the icons should be the same. A description of each icon will appear when you hover over it. The first icon is used to insert a picture into your email and will be covered in a later lesson. The second icon is used to insert an emoji into your email message. Click the smiley face to open your options. You have different groups listed across the top. You can click and different emojis will appear. So find the emoji you want to insert, click it, and it will be added to your email message. The next three options are for the style of the font after you've typed a message. The B is used to bold text. I sets text to italics, and U will underline text. Test email message line 1. And we'll go back, click and drag your mouse across the text to select it. B for bold, I for italics, U for underline. We'll make your selected text bold, italicized, and underlined. Click B again to unbold the text. I to unitalicize the text. And U to not underline the text. The next icon is used to choose the font. So type choose font, select the text, click the double A to open up the list of available fonts. Quite a good selection. And then simply click the font you want to change to, and the font has been changed. Select the text again and change the size of the font by clicking the capital A with the up and down facing arrows to give you choices from 8 points to 72 points with the default of 12 points. So we'll select 14 and you'll see the font size changed. The next option is to select a highlighter to highlight font. Click the icon to open up your 8 color choices. White will remove or be clear, so we'll check pink in this instance, and you'll see your font that was selected is highlighted in bright pink. Select the font again and choose white to remove the highlighting. You can change the color of your font. Choose the font, click the icon, the capital A with the bar of color below it. Again, opens up 8 color choices. Select your color to change the font. You can add a bulleted list to your email message by clicking the bullets icon. Bullet 1, click enter for a new bullet, and then click enter and click enter again to exit out of your bullets. Add a numbered list, click the numbering icon, We'll see one, number 2, and again double click the Enter key to remove yourself from the list. You can select decrease and increase indent to create layered lists. Let's go back to bullet 1 and click Enter. Click increase indent to increase the indent and change the bullet type. Indent 1, indent 2. Click Enter for your third indented bullet. Now click Decrease Indent to shoot back to the original bulleted list. This will also work for a numbered list. Click Enter. Increase Indent will start a new layer that restarts the numbering. Indent 1, indent 2. And then click Decrease Indent to start the original numbered layer, and you'll notice that it restarts the numbering after the first layer. Now click the expand arrow to see the rest of your options. To adjust the justification of your email, choose one of the 3: align left, align center, or align right. So you can select some text, select center to have it centered, and click align right to have it aligned to the right of your page, and you'll notice that choosing that option messes up your bulleted list. Let's put that back to align left. You can enter a clickable hyperlink into your email message by clicking the Insert Hyperlink option, which is the little globe with the chain link in front of it. A little text box opens where you can enter the URL for the link you want to save into your message. Click OK, and it will insert a clickable link into your email message. To remove a hyperlink, select the text, click the expand arrow, click remove hyperlink, and now the text that was a clickable link is now just simple text and won't take you to www.teachucomp.com. You can add superscript to your message. Superscript. We will go ahead and select script, hit the expand arrow, and click superscript, and now script is set above the line. You can also make subscript to set it below the line by clicking this subscript icon. And you'll notice that it's now small and below the line. Clicking it again will remove the sub or superscript. If you want to add strikethrough, select your option, expand arrow, click the strikethrough button, and that will add strikethrough script. And again, to remove it, simply click the icon again. If you have pictures added, you can choose the Add Alternate Text to Image. Type text into the text box. This is if an image doesn't load properly, you'll at least have a description of what the image should be. Say you have a mountain landscape picture. Click OK, and any image you have added, it will say mountain landscape picture if the image does not load properly. You can change the way words are typed into your email body. Left to right is the default. Click the expand arrow and you'll see left to right, which is what this is. To type from right to left, click the paragraph symbol with the left facing arrow, and you'll notice left to right now, and when you type it is right to left, right to left. And you'll notice the period comes on the left hand side of the screen. So we'll change that back left to right. Go ahead and delete that. Click the expand arrow. The last few options, we have undo, which will undo the last thing you did. So we deleted this line and it came back. Redo will redo the last thing you did, so it will re-delete that line. If you have formatting on your text that you want to remove, select the text you want to remove formatting from, click the expand arrow and the remove formatting eraser button will remove extraneous formatting from the text, bold, underlined, changing the font back to the default. The final option is to insert a table. You can click the icon for insert table. Two options here. You can select horizontally the number of columns and vertically the number of rows you'd like to have, and then just click to insert that size of a table. And then you can, all these icons will allow you to work with it. Click delete table. Your second option is to choose insert table. Click insert table to open up a text box where you can manually enter 4 columns, 4 rows. Click OK, and then it'll put a 4 column, 4 row table into your email message.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.